Wakey, wakey, sleepyhead. Grab your phone, get out of bed. It's time for Ashmonday Rambles.
Good morning, monsters. Shh, Roman's still asleep, so I'm playing with his Legos. This week in animal biology, we're going to be learning all about selective breeding. And in advanced animal, we're going exotic with reptiles and amphibians. But first, to the live Pooch Report.
Yeah, I ate this Lego this one time, and I ate a 4-piece, but it came out as two pieces. I don't know why. It's weird, but it tasted good.
Okay. Thank you, Meg. That's fascinating. So you guys know my dog Meg, and she is a purebred border collie. Her breeders use selective breeding techniques to make great herding dogs. They also use selective breeding to make sure that they avoid diseases that are genetic, such as hip dysplasia and retinal blindness. We know a lot about selective breeding, but selective breeding is just another type of biotechnology that we've been using for ages, for plants and animals and all types of things. And our prime example goes all the way back to Gregor Mendel and his pea plants.
Or like pea plants, like asparagus.
No.
Well, asparagus makes like your pea smell, and that's a plant.
Wrong kind of pea plant, Meg.
Sorry.
So selective breeding is just one type of biotechnology that geneticists and scientists and farmers and dog breeders use. You mix something that you like with something else that you like, and hopefully you get the perfect outcome. Kind of like the perfect dog.
I didn't call me perfect when I ate your boots.
You did what?
Sorry, not sorry.
All right, advanced veterinary students, about to get serious. You had better not be watching Tiger King. And if you are, you better be ready to explain to me how ethology would play into this TV phenomenon. But more importantly, you should be asking yourself, what would Jane Goodall think of that choice?
Yeah, Jane Goodall, she don't like cats. She only likes dogs. Everyone knows that.
That's not true, Meg. Jane Goodall loves all creatures. Jane Goodall loves us.
Especially dogs.
Yeah, especially dogs. All right, so I hope you guys have a really fun week with genetics. And I'd like to give a special shout out to two of my favorite farmers. Jody and Robin, thank you so much for all of your amazing selective breeding on our pigs and taking care of our barn while we have to be away. Everybody, stay safe, stay professional. See you next week.
Yes, and I still remember the very first time I saw one long and purple like that. It, well, took my breath away. Until then, I only thought they came in blue and green and red. And, oh, hello. Mortimer Braithwaite here. Sorry, we're just talking lightsabers there. Now, today, with it being May the 4th, it's what is known as Star Wars Day. And on Star Wars Day, we all like to celebrate those fantastic movies that we all grew up with. And when I was growing up as a little boy, Star Wars figures were all of the rage, but I had quite a few, but I was never allowed a Darth Vader one because, well, turns out, they're a bit of a choking hazard. A bit of a joke there for you. That's all good fun. There you go, Mr. Vader. Now, with it being, as I say, Star Wars Day, I do have another little Star Wars joke up my sleeve for you. Now, what kind of a car does a Jedi drive? He drives a Toyota. Now, as I say that, it does make me think I've never actually seen a car in a Star Wars movie. They usually just drive around on floaty things and hairy kangaroos and some such. So perhaps there are better Star Wars jokes out there, but you could probably Google them and find some on your own, and you can always let Miss Ashman know, and she can pass some on, because I do enjoy a good Star Wars joke. But I shall leave you there for this week. I hope you have a fantastic time, and of course, may the Force be with you. Star Trek, Star Wars, Star Trek, it's all the same. No one will care. Sure, it's fine. That's very shiny, haven't it?